If your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC feels slower than it should, there could be services running in the background that you probably never think about. And one of them is particularly interesting because it doesn't just use system resources. It's also designed to collect diagnostic information about how Windows is being used. It's called Connected User Experiences and Telemetry, and Windows normally runs it automatically in the background. So in this video, I'll show you what this service does, how to turn it off if you don't want it running, plus one additional Windows tweak that can help reduce unnecessary background activity. Welcome to Geekamag. Let's get started. First, let's deal with the Windows Data Collection Service. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard. This will open the Run dialog. Type services.msc and press Enter. Once the Services window opens, scroll down until you find Connected User Experiences and Telemetry. This Windows service is related to diagnostic and usage data. It runs in the background and helps Windows collect diagnostic information that can be used to improve the operating system. Now, I'm not going to tell you that this service is using several gigabytes of RAM on every computer, because that's simply not going to be the case. But it does run in the background and can use system resources. And if you don't want this telemetry service running, Windows gives you the option to disable it. This can be especially worth considering if you're using an older PC, have limited RAM, or simply want to reduce unnecessary background services. Double-click on it and click Stop. After that, locate Startup Type, open the drop-down menu and select Disabled. Click Apply, then OK. That's it. The telemetry service should no longer automatically start with Windows. Now there's another Windows feature worth checking, especially if you don't want your PC using bandwidth in the background. It's called Delivery Optimization. Windows uses Delivery Optimization to help download Windows updates and Microsoft Store content. Depending on your settings, your PC can also participate in sharing portions of downloaded updates with other PCs. If you don't want that peer-to-peer sharing enabled, you can turn it off. On Windows 11, right-click the Start button and select Settings. Then switch to Windows Update. Click Advanced Options. Scroll down and open Delivery Optimization. Then turn off Allow downloads from other devices. Keep in mind that delivery optimization itself isn't necessarily a bad feature. It can actually make update delivery more efficient in certain situations. But if you're on a slower connection, have limited bandwidth, or simply don't want your computer sharing update data with other devices, this is an option you may prefer to disable. If you're on Windows 10, open Settings, go to Update and Security, Delivery Optimization. Find Allow downloads from other PCs and switch it off. And that's it. You've now checked two areas of Windows that can affect what's happening behind the scenes: Windows Telemetry and Delivery Optimization. If you're using an older or lower spec PC, reducing unnecessary background activity can be particularly useful. But don't fall into the trap of disabling every Windows service just because it's running. Some of them are there for a reason. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to Geekamag, and turn on notifications for more Windows tips, fixes, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.